Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 14th of November today, and so today is my daughter's graduation day. I know I look very young to be a graduate or postgraduate's mother.
आपको गलतफहमी हो रहा है.
But the thing is, she is also in PG but not post graduation. She is into playgroup.
वाह दीदी वाह दीदी
नहीं
दीदी वाह दीदी
what is this?
दीदी दीदी
She's 3 years old, and so today is their graduation day. How fancy is that? हमारे टाइम पे तो प्ले ग्रुप नर्सरी कुछ नहीं होता था, सीधा LKG में डालते थे. But for these kids, they have playgroup, then they have nursery, then they have LKG, UKG, and then the first standard comes. So what happens, every time whenever there is a school function or any event, school event, they ask the parents to come along with the child. So once we reach there, we hand over the child to the teachers. So what happens is, for these playgroup and nursery kids, they start crying, and they do not forget, they forget all the steps, they forget everything, they just start crying, and they keep on searching for their parents. So the entire event or the dance or whatever the event is does not turn out how it was planned. That's why this time what they planned is, they asked the parents to drop the kids at 9 o'clock, so that drop the kids at 9 o'clock, and then the parents are supposed to come at 10 o'clock, so that children will think that the parents are at home, and they will not search for the parents, they will not cry, the entire event will go smooth. And this program is in JP Nagar. So I got her ready, and my husband has gone to drop her. He'll come back and he'll pick me up. So before he comes, I have to get ready, along with which I'm now ड्रिंकिंग माई मेथी का पानी, जो मैं रात को भिगा के रखती हूँ मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड के लिए. आई हैव टू क्विकली फिनिश दिस, एंड एक्चुअली I'm not feeling well today. I have a stomach upset, but still I have to go there, and I have to be there for my daughter. So I'll finish this and then get ready, and then we'll leave. Still 9 o'clock, we have one more hour, which I have to get ready, get my younger one ready. She's still sleeping, and ब्रेकफास्ट तो मैंने बना दिया है. ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए मैंने आलू, गोभी एंड चपाती बनाया था. So this is what I'm wearing. I recently bought this shirt from Myntra, and these trousers are from Zudio. Okay, so few people are asking me to keep open hair. So the thing is, I am a mother of 2 kids.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
And it is really difficult to maintain open hair with the 2 kids. So maybe in future, when they'll start, they'll become independent. I mean, after 3-4 years, I'll start leaving open hair.
Must planning.
Actually, I used to do it when I was in college, and even when I was working before marriage. I used to always keep open hair. But the thing is, since I have become a mother, I am not able to do that.
I don't understand.
My stomach is not functioning properly. You know what I mean.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
In the morning, I thought I will not be able to make it, but now I'm feeling a little better. So I've told him to get a tablet.
क्यों? तो क्या हुई?
God, my younger one also woke up, man. Okay, so I'll quickly get ready and see you guys later.
2000 years later.
Okay, so मैंने अपनी छोटी बेटी को रेडी कर दिया है. अभी मेरे पास I just got a call that my husband just reached, and I still have some time. So वहाँ पे भी अभी कुछ तैयारी नहीं हुई है. So I still have time. So I'm having my जीरा अजवाइन सौंफ का पानी. इसको मैंने रेडी कर दिया है. I'm sorry for the background noise. It's my baby. I've gotten. Yeah, I don't know. I have a blush. I don't know. I'm not finding it. I got it. This cheek tint from Zudio. So a few days back, I got some cosmetics from Zudio. I came home. At that time, I don't know why I felt it was not good, but recently I had no options. I had to use this, and then I got to know that it really works and it does its job well. So yeah. I don't apply much, just a little bit here and there. Oh my god. Oh my god. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया यार. Shit. इसलिए ना फोन में देख के नहीं करना चाहिए, मिरर में देख के करना चाहिए. Oh my god. Should I wash my face again? Should I? Or should I not? Okay. My makeup routine is just very simple. First I put moisturizer, then sunscreen, then cheek tint, and that's it. If I want, I'll put compact powder. Other than that, nothing. If there's any marriage event or anything, I do put foundation or concealer, any one, not both, because I feel makeup मुझ पे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. इसीलिए अभी टिंट हो गया है and I should go with lip color. So I recently, so this is also from Zudio. As I told, I didn't know like these was this good. I recently had no option. I just had these, and oh my god, I became a fan of this one. It's Nude 01. The shade is just beautiful. नया ना इसके पास. I'm sorry, I'll do it here. Shania, give the. Can you see that? Okay. Initially, you feel it is really watery. काहे को खींच रहे? First, when you apply, you feel really you will feel it will get wiped off, but after a few seconds it will start settling and it will become a matte lipstick. I mean, it will become a matte lip color. Oh my god, my baby is pulling my tripod. Sure. So this is done, lip color, and now eyes. Okay, actually on camera it is looking a little bit on a red tone, but the thing is, in reality it is very nude color. It is very nude. Anyways, tomorrow at any cost I need to do threading. Can you see the extra hair? Actually, I did my threading in October 2025 and it's what, March 2026. 5 months and I have not gotten time to do my threading. So just imagine my life. My kid has started crawling, and Shania! Okay, I'm gonna put her into walker because she'll not let me do anything. Shania, idhar dekho. She's all ready. My stomach is hurting. When you're not well, no, you don't feel like doing anything. So it's really difficult to manage open hair with 2 kids. Hence, I will tie my hair tight until 2 to 3 years. Once these people will start walking, doing their stuff independently, is when I will start living life.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Should I wear these? नहीं यार, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. पहले तो मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, उसके बाद ये सब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा. So I am all set. Let's go. Yesterday night I was cleaning my facial hair and this girl was sleeping and
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
she got up and I just did half thoda hi आवाज आई and she got up. There is facial hair on one side and there's no facial hair on the other side. I have to go like this to the event. I need to charge my phone because there's only 20% battery left and I need to click a lot of pictures. क्यों रो रहे? नाटक कर रहे. Okay, so this is what I am wearing. You can't see the whole outfit, but yeah, this is the shirt. I love this shirt. I wanted a shirt like this in the end. Oh god, I can't even speak. Okay, fine. Chalo. Okay, chalo. शनाया कहाँ जा रहे हैं हमें? दीदी के ग्रेजुएशन डे के लिए. It is 7.5 kilometers from here. We have 26 minutes to reach. It is already 10:12 and I'm not sure they're gonna start the program as this early, but we'll reach there by 10:30, I guess. 10:30 or 10:40.
Welcome Sweet Samaira.
समायरा कैसा था आज? ओके आ जाओ. हाँ ओके
डब्बा दे उसका दूसरा.
चलो
बहुत है थोड़ा सा. सीट बेल्ट ला लो.
Okay, done with graduation day. कैसा था समारा?
बहुत अच्छा टिकट निकाल लेकर आई.
आप ग्रेजुएट हो गए. Okay, we made a small change. We're not going to Meenakshi Mall. We came to Vega City Mall because that was nearer. That's why. Look at those beautiful pavements. Okay guys, so that's it for the vlog. I hope you liked it. I know after the graduation I did not record much. We did go to Vega City Mall, just took a parcel and then came back because I was too tired. The kids were too tired, so we came back home. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel please. Thank you.